What's up everyone, this is me Ali again, and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video. Guys, once again our focus is going to be on the precious metal gold and the euro US dollar, which is one of the most traded currency pair in the world. By the way guys, yesterday the market once again traded exactly in line with our forecast. For instance, let us recall that in our previous video we were discussing about that the market has a potential considering the 50 periods exponential moving average, considering the upward market upward channel on the 1 hourly time frame, considering the MACD and considering the RSI. The gold has a potential to target 1744 as an initial target, and the violation of this was supposed to lead gold prices towards the next target level of 1754, which is around there. Anyways, as you see, the this was a very strong target for the gold. This was sort of this became a triple top pattern. The triple top patterns are considered as a very strong resistance levels. Therefore, gold was not having, investors were not having enough fundamentals to drive further bullish movement in the market. Therefore, we are seeing a selling trend in the market. Right now, if we take a look at the 1 hourly time frame of the gold, you can see that the gold is forming the doji patterns, spinning top patterns, and it is showing a clear indecision among investors. Like, traders are not able to decide whether to go long or whether to go short, because if I zoom into the chart, you can see that we have a doji, we have a spinning top, we have although we have a violation of upward channel. Guys, this is a very nice setup. Actually, the market has already violated an upward bullish channel, and the market is trying to close below 50 periods exponential moving average, which is not yet confirmed, because market is forming candles above and below the 50 periods EMA. So for now, for today, we need to keep an eye on 1723 level, because as soon as this level is violated and as soon as market manages to make drive candles below 1723 level, we are most likely to see selling trend in the precious metal gold. For example, from here to here, our next target, like on the lower side, if market violates 1723 level, our next target will be 1709 level. So just keep an eye on it, and this is going to be a very nice opportunity to capture up short selling. While on the other hand, if market manages to stay above 1723 level, our next target will be on the higher side, and the initial target is going to be somewhere around the 1736 level. Why I am saying 1736 level? Because as you see here, the market is going to go a rise from this level to this level, and then we can again expect market to drop down, and then again maybe an upward trend. But in order to have a selling trade, we need to see we need to have a bearish breakout. So that's all for gold. Let's take a quick look at the euro US dollar as well. By the way guys, today we have to be very careful, because this is the last trading day of the week, and mostly Fridays are very volatile. Especially the US sessions are going to be very volatile for Friday. Okay, here we were expecting market to test the the triple top pattern, and we were expecting, if market manages to close above this particular pattern, we are going to see like bullish trend in the market. But right now, as you see, the market has failed to violate above like 1.1400 level, and market has managed to as you can see, close below the 50 pairs EMA, plus the MACD is holding below 0 level. The histograms are in the selling zone, and lastly the RSI is also holding below 50, which is suggesting a selling bias among investors. And lastly, the market has violated the ascending triangle pattern. The ascending triangle pattern, once they are violated on either side, they confirm the continuation of a trend. So here, as you see, the market has violated the ascending triangle pattern. This is what we can expect, by the way. Right now the market is already supported around 1.1272 level, and above this we can expect market to continue trading slightly higher. However, below 1.1330 level we can expect a selling trade in the market. So this is what we can expect, and the violation of 1.1278 level is going to drive further selling until this particular level. So this is what we can expect from the market right now. The support level is going to be around 1.1272. Above this, the next resistance is going to be around 1.1332, and below this the market can again drop towards 1.1272 level. So that's all for now, guys, and I wish you good luck for trading and have a very nice weekend. I hope to see you again in the next video on Monday. So see you guys again. Bye bye.